Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python series. And if you are new here, make sure to check the previous part first because we started from absolute basic and slowly build a strong foundation step by step. In this video, we are moving forward into three very important and practical topics in Python: string, file handling, and expectation handling. These topics are just not theory, they are widely used in real world projects, interview, and software development. First, let's talk about strings. In Python, a string is basically a sequence of characters like text data. For example, anything inside quick like hello world is a string. Now Python gives us more powerful tools to work with string easily, such as slicing, indexing, finding length, replacing text, and converting cases. You can even extract a specific part of a sentence, reverse a string, or search for words inside it. So strings are just not simple text, they are extremely flexible and powerful in a Python programming. Next is file handling, and this is very important in real world applications. With file handling, Python allows us to create, read, write, and update file directly from our code. For example, you can store your data, save logs, or read information from a text file. We use simple functions like open, read, write, close to manage file. These are also different modes like read mode, write mode, and append mode depending on what we want to do. So basically, file handling help Python interact with our system storage, which is very powerful for real world projects. Now let's move to the expectation handling. This is used to handle error in a smart way, so your program does not crash unexpectedly. For example, if you divide a number by 0 and try to open a file that does not exist, Python will throw an error. But with try and expect blocks, we can catch those errors and handle them properly instead of stopping the program. We can also show custom error message or take alternative actions. So expectation handling make your code more stable, professional, and user friendly. So in today's video, we will learn how to work with strings, manage files, and handle error like a pro. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next part.